Hello friends, what's up? After being long time with new video, and today's topic is Arduino. I mean introduction to Arduino. Actually this video is only for beginners who wanted to know about Arduino. So let's start. In general, Arduino is a development board which is powered by microcontroller. Question is, what is microcontroller? Microcontroller is a mini computer which is dedicated to perform a specific operation. It contains CPU, RAM, ROM, input-output pin, analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, oscillatory circuit, etc. Okay, back to Arduino. Arduino powered by Atmega chip. And there are some model of Arduino such as Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Lilipad, Arduino Mega, etc. But as a beginner, I suggest to start with Arduino Uno. Anyway, that's all. I will make more short clip about Arduino to ease you up understand. Stay with Creative Zone. Have a nice day.